Hey guys, it's me Azay back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting a simple little quick tutorial on how to make an easy paper Michael Myers mask from the Halloween movies. So I actually already have one I made for a video, but I didn't get to upload it because I accidentally deleted the video. That was very stupid of me to do. I'd made tons of video back then, so I couldn't remember which one was the ones I needed. Anyways, so I'm going to be recreating this one, but a bit more simpler version. So I think it's for the best, right? So you guys can make it easily at home as well, like follow along. And yeah, so we are going to start with a rough little layout first. For that, I'm going to take a blank A4 and fold it in half. Then I'll draw a sort of, okay, I'll use this as a guideline. That's sort of like this. Actually, a bit more longer would be better. And the ears be somewhere there. That's too big. And then the jaw, and I'm going to make this a bit bigger so I can account for the neck. I'm not going to be making the neck though. Actually, I probably can do that. Just need to find, hold on a second. I've got a lot of spare things, craft materials in this bag. This probably was one of my previous failed attempts at making a mask. I'll use this to make the neck. And if you guys want anything to do with glitter papers, then please do suggest, because I've got plenty remaining from my previous Halloween tutorials. So yeah, this is going to be our guideline. Now we'll have our nose probably somewhere around there, like that. And then we'll have the eyes like this. Yeah, that's much better. And then the eyebrows right around there. Leave some gap below the nose, and then make the lips. Okay, this might be a bit too high up. Alright, so I'll quickly design it, and I'll cut out these parts which I don't need, and I'll see when it's done. Alright, so for this mask I won't be making the 3D eyes. Like for example, this one has a depth and this nose is poking out and the lips are poking in. I won't be doing that specifically, but I'll be trying to draw it out as much as possible. So I'm not going to be spending too much time on the drawing either, because I don't want this video to get too long. It's supposed to be a simple, fun, quick little tutorial. But you can always pull up a polarity reference from Google and then copy it. The facial features and stuff, right? So these are basically the most important ones: the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, and the lips. If you've gotten those done, you can trace it if you'd like, but that will take a bit longer. The end goal is to make a emotionless kind of looking mask, right? So, yeah, I think this is the best I can do for now. that seems so less enough. I could add some more little shades, shadows. But that's about it. Alright, so once you have this done, oh actually I do need to keep forgetting things one by one. I need to make the ears as well, and it fell. Alright, so let me complete the ears and I'll see when that's done. Actually, I won't be putting too much effort into it, so let's just wing it, right? Yeah, there you go. That's the ears. That's the best I can do for now. Basically a curved shape like this, and one inwards like that. Shade the out one, and okay, I need to mirror it, so something like this. Right, that's eerie enough. Alright, now we have the cheek bone somewhere over there. Let's mark that. Then this one's looking pretty chubby, so we need to fix that. We've got the chin bone somewhere over there, and then the corners of the skull right around there. So we need to make folds in those 6 places. Now first let's start with this one. Curve it around those 2 circles we drew just now. Like not a solid fold, just a light curve. And you can also fold this part inwards. I need to use some tape. This is supposed to make it look more 3D. So we've got that. And we can fold this in the eyebrows area. So it'll give that I don't even know what it's called, like that rim effect. And then another light fold right around there, like this, joining those 2 circles. So basically I made 6 circles, right there, there, and then I'm joining them with creases like this to create a rounder face structure. Now let's use some tape to make the folds, like that. Then we've got the chin fold. Now we'll do that same thing right around there. I really hope this works. I don't want to redo this again. Right, this is like 3rd attempt pretty much. So yeah, it might take a couple attempts for you guys as well. There's that. This is a bit too sharp, so I'll squish it. And finally, for the top part, I won't be making any tape folds. I'll just squish it. Oh no, that doesn't look good. I might need some tape folds then. Sure, I'll make a couple then. Like that. Just one more. And we are done. Alright, that's pretty much it. I probably should not have made the top tape folds, those don't look that good. Anyways, that's pretty much all you have to do for this Michael Myers mask. If you want other Halloween mask tutorials, there's a lot already posted because I'm preparing for October. Right, I do that almost every year for the Halloween. It's been a trend since the beginning of my channel actually. Now there's one more thing I'd like to do. I'll add the neck and I'll see when it's done. Alright, so I don't think the neck idea was that good. so I'd probably recommend you guys to not make the neck. But here's how it turned out. I also added some black marker lines to make it a bit better and pop out a bit more. I had to fix some stuff, and from the back it looks like this. So you might want to, if you do make the neck, that is, you might want to cut out your chin size and then, you know, wear it. But other than that, this is how it looks. I think it's alright. I was taking a couple shots for the thumbnails, maybe. Yeah, that's about it for this video. So let me know which one's better, the 3D version or the flat version. Obviously the 3D version needs some more refining. It's just 3D, it's not like accurate replica, so I understand that. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.